guys, Haz here at Shield Canine, and people often ask me, what is the best option in terms of a family dog? What is the breed that is best for the family? I'll be right back with the answer to that question. Okay guys, so as you can see, Golden Retriever, all right? Now, I know some of you might be thinking, oh, come on, what about German Shepherds? Haz, you don't even have a Golden Retriever. I don't have one, but I'll tell you this. If I wanted a dog that would just hang out with my family, I didn't really have any expectations beyond a positive companionship experience, Golden Retriever would be top of my list and followed closely by Yellow or Chocolate Lab. Hey, buddy. Yeah, look at you. It's not that you don't have to do any work with these dogs. They often have a temperament that's very conducive to families. I've trained 1,000+ dogs by now, and usually when I'm getting dogs, I want you guys to keep in mind that I'm getting the dogs at their worst, right? Most people don't say, hey, let's spend lots of money on dog training because my dog is so well behaved. Usually we're getting the dogs when either they have a behavioral problem or they have obedience problems. We're not usually getting dogs at their best. And I'm gonna tell you, if you wanna stack the odds in your favor of having a positive and relatively easy experience as dog ownership goes, Golden Retriever's the best. Labs are really good too. Now look, and we've pretty much dealt with literally every breed, from Great Danes to Chihuahuas, okay? For sure, the Golden Retriever and the Labrador Retrievers have the least amount of issues. Oh look, he's chasing a butterfly. Like, this is what I'm talking about. The whole point is that even at their worst, they're better than the other dogs, okay? In terms of ease of dealing with the problem. It's so funny whenever someone's like, oh, I've got a Golden Retriever and he's so bad, and yeah, okay, bring him, right? We're just like so excited. Everyone's like, hey, we got a Golden Retriever coming, right? There's a reason for that. We got a Lab coming, right? The reality is they're just easier dogs to deal with. They're very trainable, they're very social, they're happy-go-lucky. They're the perfect dog, in my opinion, for a family dog if you're not after, you know, a bit more of a utility. Even the field-bred Labs and the field-bred Goldens, even if they have a higher level of energy and intensity, they're still easier to deal with on average than most other dogs. These are generally the most user-friendly dogs. Yeah, come on. So that's my little spiel. In my opinion, the absolute best dogs for the family. If you're going to look at these puppies, make sure you pick a breeder that has a good reputation, that has dogs that are healthy. Make sure you comment below. Like, subscribe, and whatever breed you happen to have, we have a full suite of online training videos. Check us out online, shieldcanine.ca, and you can join us and train with us online from anywhere in the world. If you want to train with us in person, give us a call, come down, visit, and we'll be happy to help you. Any breed, any problem, we will work with you. We will get it done.